Hi, I'm Ian Cull, the Technical Director of the IAQA, bringing you a tech tip on mold removal. When mold is growing on a surface, can you simply clean it off, or must the surface be completely ripped out and thrown away? The answer is, it depends. It primarily depends on the type of surface on which the mold is growing. Let me explain. Mold has growth structures called hyphae, which are somewhat like the roots of a plant. If these growth structures can't penetrate through a surface, then that surface can typically be cleaned instead of ripped out and replaced. Consider a non-porous surface like sheet metal ductwork. Mold might be using the dust built up for nutrients, but the growth structures are unable to penetrate through the sheet metal. In this case, the sheet metal can be cleaned. On the other hand, consider a porous surface like an upholstered chair that gets wet in a flood. Mold's growth structures can penetrate the fabric surface and grow deep into the upholstered chair as it looks for more nutrients and water. In this case, merely cleaning off the surface of the chair will not address the problem. All the porous material will need to be replaced. The examples of sheet metal and an upholstered chair are fairly obvious. Things get a little bit more complex when considering semi-porous materials such as wood products. It also gets more complex when you consider other factors such as the extent of the mold growth, the sentimental value of an affected item, and the costs associated with cleaning versus replacing. If you're interested in learning more about which items should be cleaned versus replaced, consider taking the 1-hour online class titled Contaminant Removal. Visit the Indoor Air Quality Association website and click on the IAQA University link for more information.